Hello everyone, welcome back to UiPath Agentic Automation video series. As you already know, our IT support agent can understand the user request, escalate the issue to the human, create a Jira ticket, look into the context, means the IT support documents, and then reply to the users with the solutions. It can even call RPA workflow to reset the passwords. But in IT support, there is one important task, that is user communication. Most of the companies now they are using Slack or Microsoft Teams for the daily IT support communications. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more tool to our IT support agent, that is Slack. We'll be giving a Slack as a power to our agent so that agent can communicate with the user. So we have two scenarios. First, let's say for the password resets, if user has tried multiple times, now user wants agent to call a RP workflow and then reset the password and share the password. So to share the temporary password with the users, we'll be using Slack. And when user is requesting an access to install UiPath Studio or some application, and it is going to escalate that to manager, IT support manager. And if IT support manager, if it is approving that request, so a Jira ticket will be created. Correct. So that Jira ticket now will be shared using Slack. Same way, if we have any other issue which is not available in the context in the documents, then also we can raise a Jira ticket. So that ticket will be shared using Slack. So for the communication, we'll be using Slack. As of now, we just use the agent screen where it was just displaying that ticket, right? And it was just displaying the password. But now we'll be directly sending to the user using the Slack. So I hope you remember this from the previous video. We have IT support agent. It has tools for create issue, Jira ticket, reset password, RP workflow, context as IT support docs, escalations. Now, as I told you, we'll be adding a tools. We'll click on add tools. We'll go to activities. Here you see one activity called Slack. You click on this. Now, what do you want to do with this Slack? So I want to send a message. So we'll search for that. Send a message to user. Got it? And once you add this right side, you see an option for the Slack connection. Click on this select connection. Now we have an option to click on plus. If you already have a connection, you can select it from here. We'll click on connection. Now it will try to connect. This UiPath will try to connect with the Slack. First, you need to select the folder. So I will select my workspace so that other users cannot use this connection. And now click connect. Now you see it says that this app is not approved by Slack. Apps are reviewed to ensure quality experience. Okay, we'll leave this for now. We'll just allow it. Okay. Now you see here, right side, a connection has been established. Got it? From here, you need to select the user. I will select UiPath R. That is my user. Okay. Once you select this connection and user, this error will be gone. Here you see send as. So do you want to send this as a bot or as a user? So I want to send this as a bot. Means this agent is working and agent is sending that. So I will select as a bot itself. Now these are optional, already filled basically. So we have added a connection. Now what we need to do, we need to modify our user prompts and the system prompts. Got it? Left side you see we have a connection that is showing here. This is Slack, the icon you can see, and this is Jira. Now we'll search for that line, the prompt where we need to modify. So you see here in the system prompt, it says that reset password in this RP workflow to reset the password and provide the temporary password to users. Now we'll say provide the temporary password to user using, we'll just need to add this line, using, let's copy this name, double quotes this, using send message to user Slack. Got it? Same thing we'll copy here and go to users prompt and we'll find that location. So provide the temporary password to user using send message to user Slack. Got it? Okay. Now we'll also look for the one more location where IT support that Jira ticket is shared. So in the system prompt, do not create, and then here create a Jira ticket with the details. Okay, provide the user with the ticket number with any immediate advice if applicable. Now here itself, I will say ticket number using send message Slack. I can also say like tool. Slack. Okay. We'll also update this thing in the usual prompt. Okay, respond with the, here you see. Using send message to user tools Slack. Okay, I think we are ready to run this. We'll do one thing, we'll debug this. And as we clicked on save and debug, so it has already saved those previous users. So I will go with this way. LLM call has started. Tool called reset password. Now it's going to launch that reset password workflow. You will see that screen. Got it? You see? Password reset successfully. Now it will also call one more time that Slack. And you see, now it is using tool called send message. Let me enhance that. Okay, send message to user. It's going to send a message to user. And here you see in the response, now it says that the user's password has been successfully reset and the temporary password has been provided, right? So we'll open Slack now. And here you see we have a message from UiPath as a bot. And you can see here, your password has been successfully reset. Your temporary password is welcome123. This new message. Please use the password to log in and ensure you change it immediately upon logging in for security purpose. So you see how UiPath is sending, this agent is sending a message, this password, temporary password to user using Slack. Now we'll try with another I hope agents should create a Jira ticket and then send through Slack. Looking into the IT support docs, we'll modify our prompt. We'll say Slack. Let's update this. Let's review these results. Suggestions. Okay. So, searching the IT support docs for solutions, creating detailed Jira tickets for issues that cannot be resolved with the available documentations, search the IT support docs, context for solutions. Um, let's go with this. And let's go with this as well. Let's see. Let's try running this. And I will say my Outlook is uninstalled from my system. Or I will say looking into the IT support docs. Now it's going to create issue, the Jira ticket. So basically the issue was, this system prompt and user prompt. If you're not able to write it clearly, then agent will not work for you. See, create issue done, send message Slack. This is also now in progress. And this is done. Let's open Slack. So you see now our agent can send this Jira ticket. See Jira ticket number here, and previously it shared the password as well. So now our IT support agent can use this Slack as a tool for the user communication. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.